this is accurate, but this truck has kind of shitty with fuel pressure. It's like 8.5, 9. Is that ever going to come out of there? Hold on. I got to bleed off? Yeah, I do. I'm bleeding it off in this tube. That sucks. We're going to go to the fuel pressure regulator first. See if we can get that up more. That's pretty shitty. I put a tap on it. It's actually not leaking. It's strange. Can't even see it. Hold up. I hate getting on a running vehicle so I could die. And then you can't see because it's so dark. I'm gonna shine my light over there. Hold up. See that? Fuel tap. It's going up now. So it like moves around. Maybe the pump's dying. It's going up now. Well, it fluctuates. When the pump warms up, the pressure goes up. I don't know. I could have like a leaking injector too. I gotta check that. I'll get it though. We're gonna leave that line tap on there. We got injectors in my Horde. We're going to pull that throttle body apart. We're going to check it. See, it's better now, but it was only like 8 before. It went up some when it warms up. That's weird. Doesn't matter when you rev it, it stays there. That's pretty low though for a TBI system. That explains why it's running lean. It should be like minimum like 13, man. Well, 13's ideal. It says 9 to 12 or something, but see, it's going up again too. It changes, you see? Now it's up to 10. It'll drop down to like 8 though. It fluctuates. Next we gotta take the, again, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll take the throttle body apart and the diaphragm. I don't think it's a voltage issue that's causing this either. I'll turn the lights on and stuff, see if it drops. Nah, it's pretty consistent. I'll put it in gear. I'll see if it moves if I put it in gear. I'm not doing this on video because it's too much to handle. See, that's it in gear. It's around like 8 pounds. It should be higher than that. Oh, this gauge might not be accurate too, but that's interesting. Is this a problem? There it is, bleeding down again. I noticed the fuel pump doesn't sound too great either, but we gotta check that regulator spring and the diaphragm. The injectors don't seem like they're leaking, but again, I do have new ones in my Horde. But there you go, maybe that's our issue. Awesome. I like finding issues. Truck will live. And that explains why it was running so lean when I log it. Torque converter's still fucked up though, I know that. That might be why it's stalling. Because I blipped the gas, it runs better, and it also runs really bad in open loop. Because I guess, you know, it's just getting a fixed amount of fuel. When it's in closed loop, it's probably running lean as balls, so it keeps on dumping extra fuel, so it actually runs better when it warms up. But when it's cold, it doesn't, because it's probably not getting enough fuel flow. Maybe. Alright, we're on to something. We'll fix it. Truck rules. And we already have the parts. Yeah, this is just a fuel line tap. Some people put them on right off the throttle body. I'll show you. Oh, I locked it. Hold on. I can't show you this though. I can't show you this and how this is possible. But I might have made a video on this anyway. Hold on. Hold on. Look at this. 1976. How'd I open my hood from the outside? I don't know. But you can tap this line right here. But it's a pain in the ass, I think. I think it's easier going under the truck. And if you have a fuel leak from that fitting, your engine will go on fire here, and you won't necessarily go on fire there. So that's a pretty good deal. And you can check it right when you're sitting in the driver's seat and turn the key on, and not so much over here. So I like it in the bottom. Some people say, don't do it that way. Yeah, this got to come apart next, throttle body. And yeah, that's freaking awesome. I'm glad I found something wrong. And we'll fix it.